Hello, and welcome to Daily Story Learning. Here we bring you fun and engaging stories to help you learn and improve your English. Listening to stories is a great way to build your vocabulary, understand sentences, and enjoy learning. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's begin. A day in Adam's life. On a bright morning, Adam was sleeping in his bed when his alarm rang loudly. He opened his eyes suddenly and screamed, placing his hands on his head. He thought he was late for school. But soon he realized there was still enough time. He smiled and jumped out of bed excitedly. In the kitchen, his mother was setting breakfast on the table. Adam sat down and quickly ate his meal, ready for a day full of adventures. Then he grabbed his school bag and stood by the door, where his friend was waiting to walk to the bus stop together. When they arrived at the bus stop, they waited until the school bus pulled up. They got on and took their seats, excited for another school day. At school, Adam and his classmates sat on a blue mat in a big room. It was yoga class, where the kids enjoyed simple exercises that helped them focus and stay calm. Then, the teacher walked into the classroom. Everyone sat down and listened carefully as she explained something new. After class, the kids stood up and walked together across the room. Then, they moved on to art class. Adam sat at a table, picked up his pencil, and started drawing with excitement. He loved being creative and adding colors to his pictures. When it was time for a break, Adam went to the school cafeteria and sat down to eat some biscuits, enjoying a quiet moment. Then he headed to the schoolyard, where he saw a soccer ball rolling nearby. He ran after it and joined his classmates in a game. In the middle of the field, Adam was running fast, dribbling the ball. He got close to the goal, then kicked it hard. Everyone watched as the ball hit the net. He raised his hand high and shouted, "Yes!" while some of his classmates looked at him with admiration. He had scored a great goal. As the school day came to an end, Adam stood by the school bus again, ready to go home. When he arrived, he sat at the table with his mother. They shared some biscuits and talked about his fun day. Later that evening, Adam lay in bed, with his night lamp glowing softly beside him. He felt tired after a long, exciting day. He closed his eyes, ready for a new day full of adventures. Question time. Now it's time for some questions. Can you pick the right answer? What did Adam do when he woke up? A. Went back to sleep. B. Screamed and jumped out of bed. C. Went straight to school. What did Adam eat at school? A. A big sandwich. B. Biscuits. C. A bowl of soup. What did Adam do on the playground? A. Played soccer and scored a goal. B. Sat and read a book. C. Went straight back to class. That was such a fun day with Adam. Did you enjoy the story? If you liked it and want more adventures, don't forget to follow us so you won't miss the next story. See you next time, friends.